What's up guys, this is Sean Heather, and in this video we are going to have a detailed review of Xiaomi Poco M4 Pro 5G smartphone. So we are going to talk about its design, features, build quality, camera performance, gaming performance, battery life, battery charging speed, and all of its pros and cons. So here we go. So first of all, let's talk about the design and build quality. Poco M4 Pro 5G is a beautiful looking smartphone and comes with nice build quality considering its price segment. The screen is protected by Cotton Gorilla Glass 3. The screen also comes with a thin screen protector pre-applied on it for dual protection. We got the plastic frame and plastic back panel, and the device is IP53 certified for being splash resistant. And a 6.6-inch smartphone with 5000 mAh battery is still not heavy at 195 grams. It is easy to use, feels very solid in hand, and the slightly curved back panel edges provide a very nice grip. The matte finished back panel is very beautiful and quite unique also because of the camera module design. The matte finished back panel feels nice in hand while holding it. It attracts no smudges or fingerprint and it's pretty eye-catching. The camera module is a bit misleading because it gives the impression that the Poco M4 Pro 5G comes with a quad camera, but in reality we got just two lenses on this camera module and rest of them are just dummies. And then we got an IR blaster, stereo speaker setup, and a 3.5mm audio jack as well on Poco M4 Pro 5G. So overall, in terms of design and build quality, this device is pretty solid, beautiful, unique, and provides a nice user experience. Talking about the display, we got a 6.6-inch IPS LCD screen with Full HD Plus resolution, and it comes with 90Hz refresh rate, DCI-P3 color gamut, and 240Hz touch sampling rate. So the colors are sharp and punchy and provide a very nice viewing experience because of the high refresh rate and saturated color space. The screen is also wideband L1 DRM supported, so you can stream Full HD resolution content on YouTube, Netflix, etc. on Poco M4 Pro 5G. You will get a bit more than 500 nits brightness in outdoors under the bright sunlight, so the device is pretty easy to use even on a bright sunny day. The 90Hz refresh rate provides a nice viewing experience, and the 240Hz touch sampling rate is quite helpful when it comes to gaming. Poco M4 Pro 5G comes with a 5000 mAh battery along with 33W fast charging. So it takes nearly 65 minutes in charging the battery from 0% to 100%, and the battery performance is quite impressive. It also comes with various power saving modes that you can use to improve the battery performance, and even on heavy usage it can easily survive a bit more than one day, and once it goes down you can quickly charge it using the 33W fast charger provided in the retail box. The fingerprint sensor is embedded in the power key. It is super fast, very accurate, and you can use it not only to unlock your smartphone but also to unlock the smartphone applications you got on your device. We got the stereo speaker setup on Poco M4 Pro 5G that you won't find on many smartphones in this price segment. The speakers are loud enough, but the audio quality is not that great. But still, considering the fact that Poco is providing the stereo speaker setup in the budget smartphone segment, it's still a pretty nice thing. Talking about the performance, it comes with MediaTek Dimensity 810 processor, 6GB RAM, 128GB storage, Android 11, MIUI 12.5. So overall performance is quite nice and one of the best in price segment considering the benchmarking scores we got on this device. You will be able to play most of the high-end games on the low or medium graphics setting, and you will get good FPS as well. Performance of the CPU is quite impressive when it comes to throttling, as in our CPU throttle test, after 1 hour the performance was still at around 80%, and in our 3D Mark stress test the stability was 99.5%. That's very impressive. So considering the price segment, you will get one of the best performance from Poco M4 Pro 5G in the budget smartphone segment. You can watch our gaming performance test of Xiaomi Poco M4 Pro 5G to get the better idea about the performance of this device. Talking about the software, it comes with Android 11, MIUI 12.5.3, and as we know, Xiaomi's MIUI is very feature rich. So Poco M4 Pro 5G comes with lots of software based features and options that you can use to improve your productivity and user experience while using this device. The user interface is pretty smooth. You won't feel any lagging in your daily usage, and you will love the customization options that MIUI 12.5 provides to the smartphone user. Now talking about the camera, we've got a 50 megapixel primary camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens and 16 megapixel front facing camera. So Xiaomi has removed the quite useless the depth sensor and the macro lens from this device and is providing the ultra wide angle lens that is really an impressive thing, and it would be just awesome if there was a dedicated telephoto lens here as well. The camera performance is quite nice as it captures good amount of details. The AI mode helps in improving the saturation and contrast a bit. The dynamic range is nice. It comes with HDR, but auto HDR rarely works, so I will prefer to keep the HDR option turned on all of the time. The quality of the wide angle lens is pretty impressive. It captures lots of details, but the color reproduction is a bit different and more saturated in the ultra wide angle lens mode. Even without the depth sensor, the Poco M4 Pro 5G captures very nice portrait shots, and the low light imaging is okay as well. It also comes with the night mode that helps in improving the low light imaging capability of the device a bit for sure. The front-facing camera performance is also quite nice. It captures good amount of detail. The dynamic range is nice. It also comes with HDR, and in the portrait mode, the subject separation and the background blur is also pretty nice. When it comes to video recording, Poco M4 Pro 5G can record 1080p resolution videos at 30 fps from all of its camera. The 60 fps shooting is available only on the main camera, and there is no 4K option available at all. The primary camera video recording is quite nice, but if you switch to ultra wide angle lens, the video recording capability goes down and performance is quite poor. So overall, the camera performance of Xiaomi Poco M4 Pro 5G is quite nice considering its price segment. Both the primary camera and the ultra wide angle lens capture very nice images with lots of details, and the same goes with the front facing camera as well. The low light imaging is not that great, and there is no 4K resolution video recording available on this device. Overall, Xiaomi Poco M4 Pro 5G is one of the best smartphone in its price segment, as it comes with solid build quality, the huge 90Hz display with DCI-P3, color space is very beautiful, the battery life is impressive, and so is the battery charging speed. The Android 11 and MIUI 12.5 provides a very smooth and nice user experience. The fingerprint sensor is very fast and accurate. The overall performance is pretty impressive and one of the best again in its price segment, and the overall camera performance is nice as well. And on top of these, we got a stereo speaker setup, IR blaster, FM radio, 3.5mm jack and dual 5G capability on Xiaomi Poco M4 Pro 5G. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.